Hello student, today I will read the next paragraph. The river breeze was bracing and yet a slight discomfort lingered in Bipin Babu's mind. Though that time when he had parked his car near the Ganga river, there the breeze was flowing very gently, and it was very bracing means it was refreshing everyone's mind. But yet a slight discomfort lingered in Bipin Babu's mind. But Bipin Babu's mind was continuously, lingered means continuity. So continuously was in discomfort. He was in trouble. And why he was in trouble? Because he was not making the decision who was right, his memory or that person. So there was a conflict between his memory and that person also. So around Hastings, and quickly he want to take the decision also. So around Hastings means in a very quick action, Bipin Babu decided to roll up his trousers and take a look at his right knee, because Parimal Ghosh has told that he had a cut on his right knee. So he decided to roll up his trouser and look at that particular area. So when he rolled up, there was the mark of an old inch long cut. How much? An old inch long cut. He had a mark of an old inch long cut, and it was impossible to tell when the injury had happened. So it was difficult for Bipin Babu to remember that when he got this cut mark. He had never had a fall as a boy and cut his knee. He tried to recall such an incident but couldn't. So he was trying to remember, and he thought that maybe this cut has he got when he was a boy, when he was a child. So he was not he was not in this condition whether this cut was the cut he got from at the Hudru fall, or when this cut is from his boyhood. So there was a lot of confusion in his mind. So then how would he clear his confusion? So he thought, then Bipin Babu suddenly thought of Dinesh Mukherjee, because he was his friend, and Parimal has told that when he was in Ranchi, he had come with Dinesh Mukherjee's house. Okay, he had not been in the hotel, and he had sat with the Dinesh Mukherjee's house. So the man had said that Dinesh was in Ranchi at the same time. The best thing surely would be to ask him. He lived quite near, so in Beni Nandan Street. So the Dinesh Mukherjee also lived quite near Beni Nandan Street. So he said that I will ask to Dinesh Mukherjee, because I stay with him at Ranchi. That's why. Stayed with him, that's why. So what about right now, going right now? So he thought that it is true, it is it is good to go, it is the right time now that I have to ask to Dinesh Mukherjee. But then if he had really never been to Ranchi, what would Dinesh think of Bipin Babu? Ask for a confirmation. So if he really had been to Ranchi, okay, then Dinesh will say that why you have asked me for the confirmation. Dinesh would think about Bipin Babu, and what he would say, he would probably conclude Bipin Babu as going not nuts. So what he would say, that Bipin Babu is going crazy or going mad. Going nuts means he was going crazy or going mad. So no, it would be ridiculous to ask him. So it will be absurd to ask all these things, because maybe Dinesh Mukherjee consider him as a mad person. So, and he knew how ruthless Dinesh, and he knew that how roughly Dinesh Mukherjee's nature is not a good. Okay, he was a very pitiless person, and sarcasm could be, and in what way he make a fun of him, he make he make a mockery on him. So he would not bear this thing. So that's why he dropped this idea to ask Dinesh Mukherjee about going to Ranchi. Then when he came at home, sipping a cold drink in his air-conditioned living room, Bipin Babu felt at ease again. Felt at ease again means, student, he was feeling very relaxed when he came to his air-conditioned and he was drinking cold drink. Okay, such a nuisance just because they have nothing else to do. Now, while drinking the cold drink, he thought that why the persons have not other work, they such create this kind of inconvenience and annoyance to the other person, just because they have nothing else to do, they have no other work, interfering in the life of other persons. They go about getting into other people's hair, means they are interfering with other and annoying other people's. So he was very he think that Parimal Ghosh was a very disgusting man. He was a very ridiculous person. So after dinner, snuggling in bed, when he went to his bed for sleeping with one of the new thrillers, because as we knew that he read the thrillers and the ghost stories, Bipin Babu forgot all the man in Newmarket. He had forgot upon that man, that Parmil Ghosh, whom he met in the Newmarket. Then next day in the office, Bipin Babu noticed that with every passing hour, the previous day's encounter was occupying more and more of his mind. When he went next day, when he went to his office, again he was experiencing encounter, means he was experiencing that same thing. Whenever that hour was passing, he was just the day or the time was going on, he was experienced that same thing, that all the things were occupying his mind, whatever he want to forgot. So more and more in his mind, it was dominating on his mind, you can say. If man knew so much about Bipin Babu, how could he make such a mistake about the Ranchi trip? So why it was encountering in his mind? Because he was confused with that if that person knew everything about Bipin Babu's Ranchi trip. So maybe he was right. He knew everything about his life. He knew every personal thing about Bipin Babu. So how could he make such mistake about Ranchi trip? So this was the great question mark in his mind. It was a question mark in Bipin Babu's mind.